Hey, ISP students. So registration was delayed, and that's a bit of a bummer. On the bright side, this gives you extra time to get familiar with some essential registration resources that you can easily check out. Do you know there is an academic advisement center in the John Jay website? It has tons of useful information you might need before registration. A visit to this page can easily answer the questions that you have about general education requirements, questions about your major, including what classes to take. There is also a page with useful videos with tutorials about how to use essential online tools for registration. And lastly, one of our amazing student ambassadors put together a step-by-step guide to register for classes on CUNYFirst. So please check out these resources. They will come very, very handy. If you're watching this on Instagram, see the comments below. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can check the description box. Check the resources out. Thank you.